So in this video, we're going to tackle the orange square. All right. And the orange square is kind of a tricky one compared to the four previous shapes that we made, the blue rhombus, red isosceles trapezoid, yellow hexagon, and equilateral triangle. All right, so here's how we're going to do this. Again, previously, like you had seen in the previous videos, I marked the centroid of the equilateral triangle. I'm going to bring the top vertex to meet that centroid. Next, I'm going to bring the left edge of the equilateral triangle over to meet that equilateral triangle. And I want to make sure that I'm lined up on my base here nicely. Okay. And we'll do the same thing for the right. Let's bring that over. Again, you want to get these edges to match up nicely here. All right, so it makes like a nice little rectangle with, it's almost like a little envelope. Kind of a neat little creature. All right. Now, I've got a rectangle that has a 1-inch top. Now I need to get a square out of that that has 1-inch sides. So to do that, I'm just going to flip it over here. I'm going to bring this 1-inch edge onto this side of that rectangle. So basically you're just folding a nice 45-degree angle there. Don't worry if the equilateral triangle popped out. Okay. So if I leave that folded right there, okay, get that nice little 45, 90 right triangle there. All right, and then what you can do is you can bring this flap up. I'm just going to use the bottom of that triangle as sort of leverage. And then open it up. Okay, and there's my square. I'm going to grab my orange marker here and just color it in. Here's the bottom of that orange square. All right, a little something like that. So that's a nice 1-inch side square there. All right. And if you open it up, you can see where it is relative to the rest of the original equilateral triangle. Okay, so it's at the top of that rectangle that was formed when we folded these two flaps over. Here's my equilateral triangle on top. All right. So there you have it. There's your orange square. So we've got one more shape to go, and that's a real tough one. So we'll see you in a little bit.